Hey there, just wanted to check in with you and let you know that I've talked with the mom who has 7 boys and they love meat. And I'm thinking, what can I fix for them that would be hearty, filling, they can have a great time, all that good stuff. So I've decided I'm going to cook a wonderful spaghetti dish, a big pot of spaghetti with some special bread. I think either garlic butter, regular Italian bread, but I'm going to add a little twist to it, some things that I do a little differently. And I may even put a little bit of cheese. I love the cheese on some of that. So I'm supposed to show up at their place either the 7th, 8th, or 9th. So I'll be making the meal around that time. And I want to edit it. I don't know if I can do it live, just everything together without, you know, any editing that's needed, so we can move it along. And but you can look forward around that time where I'll be doing it probably on the 7th or whatever, and I'll probably put it up on the bird about the 8th or 9th so you can see that. So I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be some wonderful spaghetti, pasta with lots of different wonderful goodies. I'll just put it that way. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Season with Love. And I've decided that for the next one, I'm going to open it up. We've now done Arizona. We're going to do Chicago. Then I'm going to open it up to whatever state comes up. Unless I feel like I need to go specifically to a particular place in a particular household. And it really is just to have a great time, enjoy some good food, have great conversation for the family, and look forward to doing it. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. So you have a great day, and I hope that your next meal is seasoned with love. Take care. All right. Bye.